Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered why certain products catch your eye? Why you choose one brand over another? Or why some ads stick in your mind? Behind these everyday decisions lies a strategic framework called the marketing mix. Today, we're going to learn the four essential elements of the marketing mix: product, price, place, and promotion, often referred to as the 4Ps. By the end of today's lecture, you should be able to understand the four elements of the marketing mix, recognize how these elements interact to create successful marketing strategy, apply the marketing mix concepts to real-world examples. Let's start with the first P, product. The product is the cornerstone of the marketing mix. It refers to what you are selling, whether it's a physical good, a service, or an idea. The product must meet a need or a want of the target market. Think about Apple and its iPhone. The iPhone is not just a phone, it's a combination of design, functionality, and brand experience. Apple continually innovates its products to stay ahead of competitors and meet consumer demands. Consider the product as the heart of your marketing strategy. Just as the heart pumps blood to sustain life, the product drives the entire marketing effort. Without a strong product, other marketing efforts may fail. Now, let's discuss price. Price is the amount of money customers must pay to acquire the product. Pricing strategies can vary, including discount pricing, premium pricing, and competitive pricing. Let's look at Starbucks. They position themselves as a premium brand with higher prices compared to other coffee shops. Their pricing strategy reflects the perceived value of their product, including the ambience and the customer service experience. Moving on to the third P, place. Place or distribution refers to how the product is delivered to the customer. This includes the location where the product is sold and the logistics involved in getting it there. Amazon is a prime example of effective distribution. They utilize a vast network of warehouses and advanced logistics to ensure fast delivery to customers worldwide. Their Prime service has set new standards for customer expectations regarding delivery times. Think of place as the veins and arteries in the body, ensuring that the product reaches the customer efficiently and effectively. Without a robust distribution system, even the best products can fail to reach their market. Finally, let's look at promotion. Promotion encompasses all the activities that communicate the product's benefits and persuade consumers to purchase it. It includes advertising, sales promotions, public relations, and personal selling. Nike's Just Do It campaign is one of the most successful promotional strategies. It connects emotionally with the customers, inspiring them to take action. Nike uses a mix of celebrity endorsements, compelling storytelling, and consistent branding to promote their products. Understanding and balancing these four elements is crucial for meeting customer needs and achieving business goals. Each element must be carefully considered and tailored to the target market to create a cohesive and effective marketing strategy. As future marketers, mastering the 4Ps will be vital to your success. Always remember that marketing mix is dynamic. It requires continuous adjustment based on market feedback and changes in the external environment. For your assignment, choose a product or service you're familiar with and analyze its marketing mix. Discuss how each of the 4Ps is implemented and suggest any improvements you think could enhance its market performance. For further reading, I recommend Principles of Marketing by Philip Kotler and Gary Armstrong. It provides comprehensive insight into marketing strategies and practices.